Hello everyone. So today's topic is whether alien exist or not, and I have seen very many videos um, before 2 years on that topic, which was of Get Safe Life Facts. So um, of course, I will say my opinion because this is not a self improvement channel and just some channel where I share my opinions and yes, so and you can know my opinions on this channel and maybe shape your own opinions according to whether whatever you feel is right and whatever is wrong. Okay, so first thing, aliens. Aliens, what will be aliens on another planet? Another planet, aliens will be living in such a condition which will be different from Earth. Means their physical characteristics will be different. Means they will not. Means they will have something that tells them how to perform tasks. Maybe they won't know how to run, walk, or anything. Like maybe they will be levitating on the surface, and maybe they don't know. Maybe they don't eat. Maybe they just absorb. Like for example, a light is falling and they get food. Like there can be anything. 100 infinite possibilities. They can be of any color. Maybe we have not discovered such a color and there will be a color. Like they can be of any color also, like how human beings are white and this whatever this color tone is, hair is another hair tone color tone, because I go in sunlight, so my this becomes very dark, then very light, then again dark, red. I don't know how this become red in 2 minutes. So this today is about aliens. Aliens may not exist. So what we say is that alien will not exist because they will be anything else, and life is not possible. Life can be possible anywhere, bro. There can be something different. Like I said, infinite possibilities. There can be anything. Anything can happen. Like there is black hole and there is white hole also. First, we did not know there is a black hole. Things go inside that, and we don't find it anywhere. And then white hole is like from where the things come outside, something that is lost, but it's very long process and that takes a very long time. First we didn't know. First we knew that there is matter, and then we got to know there is antimatter also. So what we get to know is that about antimatter, that it is negative of matter, means there is no matter, and just know it what I am saying, antimatter. Now that's opposite of matter. Like it's like black hole type. What is black hole? You decrease the volume size of this much big plan area in space and it becomes very small. It has very much gravitation force, so this book will, if for example this much small this black hole is, this much like of my this nail, and this books is here, and then it comes inside this, it gets destroyed and comes inside this, and then it goes out of the white hole, for example this, and then it comes out. But the thing is that it will damage it and it will take a lot of time, and I think so there will be the body will be affected because of that. So body can be possible anywhere. Sorry, human life can be possible anywhere. So not human life, sorry, my bad. So for example, there can be an animal which will be breathing carbon dioxide, or something else element which we don't even know, because it's not like we have discovered everything on every planet. And maybe there will be something else that we don't know, because what we know is just our surroundings. For example, there is a lion. It knows that there is a jungle, and in that jungle there are different animals which only he has seen. There is a deer, there is there is a snake, but it doesn't know there is a polar bear. Why? Because he has never been there. That similarly with humans, they don't know there is a lot of things. Andromeda galaxy. You don't know everything about that. You may know that this planet is there and this planet is there and this planet. There are very less planets about which we know that are outside of Milky Way galaxy. Very less planet, and the planets are also named very complex. SCP, no, SCP something else, means there may be anything. Okay, so 100,000 infinite possibilities there, and I think aliens do exist, and I think that we are also alien to them. So they will not never come here, because if they come they will never be able to capture us, and nor will they have any intention to go come outside of their planet. Just like we people know, we people are just very curious, and they may be too. But the thing is that how we think may be different from what they think, and maybe they will not come here, and they also may come here, but it's not necessary that if they come they're only going to capture us and they will eat us, or they will beat us and they will just invade here, because there is nothing they will get. Why we want to go to another planet? That is because this planet is ruptured, this planet is punctured, and this planet is just destroyed, which has been done ultimately by us only. And resources are depletion of resources is happening. So animals, sorry, aliens will exist. For example, for in my opinion, 80% possibilities no, 80, I cannot say 80, 50% only, 50%, 50-50. It may exist, it may not exist, but I think what my inner self says is that it should exist, because there, why not? Like, is it necessary that it will take oxygen, it will eat food, it will walk, it will see from eyes? There can be anything. Maybe that thing is not explored by us. Just like how we used to think in childhood that maybe there can be another sound in Hindi that we can pronounce, but we have never tried. For example, like tra, and this we didn't know there is something tra, but that is a um, vyanjan. That vyanjan is we didn't know, but we always used to think that there may be any other vyanjan that we don't know, but we can discover that. That thinking should be developed in everyone, I think so. There may be something that we don't know, that is 100% sure to every situation. Whether it be some person, there will be some animal kingdom, about god, about space, about life. We are not, right now we are not known to everything, and I don't believe there will be something that will know 100%. And I am very sure about this thing, that there is nothing that we can know 100% about. And what we can only do is assume, and what can we only do is accept this thing, that there will be aliens, there may not be aliens. I think that 20% of the chances that they may not exist, but the thing is they are very um, alien to that thing, alien to that thing. So whatever rubbish I've talked about, I think you would have got something new. Like, they can also absorb, like for example, light is falling from here on my head and on my shirt, and this is reflecting here. Yes, so this, like, they may absorb food like that. Maybe they just eat their own hair, or maybe they eat like they store food and they eat. There can be anything. Maybe they are not eating some of the vegetation grown. Maybe they generate their own food. Maybe they generate from, like, they do this and they think, and then food, whatever they think, comes out in their hand. Or that's actually not possible, because energy cannot be generated nor be created. Sorry, energy cannot be destroyed and it cannot be created. So physics laws cannot be changed. Future PCM student. Hmm. Yes, this was all what I was going to say, and there are many things that I will be talking about in the future, and I think you will enjoy, or at least get to know something new, or maybe I would help you to think something that is not that maybe you have not thought before, or give you a reason to think more and make you more creative and make you more curious, because according to me that makes you a very disciplined person a very disciplined person and a great person, to be honest. And I think that I'm very grateful that I have these 8 subscribers right now. And bye bye, and thank you that you have watched my 11-minute video.